This is Cyndy from Cyndy G SVG. And in this video, we are going to assemble the Poinsettia Bouquet pop-up card. So this is a new style of card I've been seeing. So I gave it a whirl. We'll see how this comes out. So we have a couple of pieces here. And I should have given you, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking I should have given you a blank piece here to write your sentiment on for the back. I will include that because I think that would be helpful. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our trim. And I think for the top one, you'll definitely want that on the inside. The bottom one, if you want, because you won't see it, this is the back. You can put on the outside. So that's how I'm going to do it. But you'll see this top through the card. So I want to put the top piece on the inside. Okay, and then you can put the back piece on the back. The bottom piece, I'm sorry, on the back. Okay, just like that. And then you can fold these tabs over. We're just going to set that aside for right now. And I think I'm going to glue on this piece first. And I'm just going to line up these corners to right here in this corner, okay? You don't need a whole lot of glue. So just line that right up. There we go. And then just like the back piece, except we're going to put these both on the front of the card. We're going to glue these right down. Now see, it slightly goes over the piece. That's why I wanted to put that on first. Okay, now before we put those together, we have to take a look here at this strip that's like this. Okay, and where this tab comes down, this is the center of the front. Okay, so you can just do a slight fold there, and then you're gonna fold back and up, okay, to make a little zigzag in here. And do the same thing there on the side. And then we're just going to glue this shut here with this tab. Okay. I hope that made sense. Okay, so then we just have this little piece like this. Okay. And then for this, we're going to just glue these over. So all we're doing with these is making this lever more sturdy. Okay. So back and forth, back and forth. And that just makes this lever sturdy to handle opening and closing the card. Okay, and then we're going to take this and you're going to put it, let's glue it onto this one because the back is taller. Okay, so we are going to glue it, and you can see there's just a little bit of space there, so you can just give yourself kind of, and you just want to center this right in. Okay, and we're only going to put glue in between these two score lines, and do not glue your lever down. Okay, so again, we're just going to center this in here, just like this. This has to remain loose, okay? And that gets glued down like that. Then I'm just going to glue one side first. So let's put glue on our tabs. You could have done this before you put that center in, but you just want to make sure that you are waiting to glue these tabs down until okay. And I see a little problem. I'm going to have to shorten the top one because I didn't take into account that. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here, but we're also going to put glue here in the center, not on the edges, okay, because that will affect your dimension of the card. And I did notice that I didn't get enough of this. Okay. Then when you push this tab, and that's why that is reinforced, it pops this open, okay? And then you release it, okay? So let's just roll this over here. We're going to let this dry while we work on our inserts. So this is the front insert. And we're just going to, I really like white poinsettias, so I did them white. I could have done them red, but I just really favor the white. So I did, I used vanilla cardstock and white cardstock. And then we're just gonna pop the center on. So those go together really quickly. I did ink my edges and I folded each petal in the center. And these, I just glued the circles on the berries on already. So you just want to get enough of these edges so that they're glued down and you don't have a problem with them getting hooked on anything. Now you have a choice here. You can put this on before or after. I'm going to put my berries on, then this base. This is like the top of the drum. And then I'm going to put the poinsettia on. You know, it's just your preference of how you want it to look. And the berries are a little bit bigger, so they're not, you know, really hard to get into place because they're not really small circles. But I just put a dab of glue, put them on. So again, this is like the top of the drum. And then you're just going to put glue here on the center to glue your flower on, and you're going to okay, so we're going to do the same thing here with the back. And I've got one little petal there that when I was taking it off my mat, it ripped. So I thought that I would just show you how I would do that. I mean, I could have cut the petal out again, but you know, sometimes you're using your last piece of color that you have. And so I'm just going to glue that one petal into place. And luckily, it was the center petal, but it would work even as the top one because it has the center that would cover that up. So my pine cone is layered. I've already layered that together. There's no real reason why I chose white instead of doing a darker color. That's just the color that I chose. So I'm going to do this just like the front. I'm going to offset the petals, and I just squeeze the petals all the way around. I did it to each layer. Then you can kind of pull these up. Okay. And then you can see the center of the poinsettia there. And you just want to offset it from the green. Okay. Now, for this one, because I have to fix the one petal, I'm going to assemble it here in place. And then I'm just going to add a dab of glue here where it came off and just glue it right on. Okay. And then put a little bit of glue on top for that to kind of hold that in place. And there it is. That's how I saved that petal. Okay. Whoops. Don't stick to my finger. And then put your drum top on. Then we take our card. This one slides into the back. This one slides into the front. And then you push Oops. Don't push it up that far. Your finger. And there it is. Now I would, if you want to glue these in, you can. I've made them so they're pretty tight. They're not going to fall out. Don't glue them to the front of your card because then you're going to lose your, see, then it'll be up like that and you're going to lose your dimensional look with this card. Okay, so there it is. That is the Poinsettia Bouquet pop-up card. Thank you for joining me.